Okay, let us continue. And yeah, I apologize again, but I cannot follow the chat at the same time because I only have one monitor at the moment, so that's a shame. I wonder if there's a plugin for Unity where I could have a web browser here. No, that would be just silly. I mean, have also the chat in the stream. Anyway, yeah, I really should get a small secondary monitor just for this chat when I'm streaming. But yeah, that was fixed, and because I'm trying to start using the Unity cloud build, we need to upgrade the changes to cloud build and get the build from there afterwards. So, what did we change? Let's make this as atomic as possible. So first of all, we changed Dart change collision position, and that was that. Oh yeah, we actually changed something else too. Dart changes. Change collision position, and then we changed also call. No, that was actually in the script. This is making proper commits actually takes some time because yeah, you need to think what you were doing. And it seems kind of silly work at times, but I know from experience that it will be so much easier to, for example, bisect a problem when you can find exactly the commit where the change happened, and you can find exactly the line what caused it. You can fix it much faster because you don't actually need to debug, you can just bisect. And bisecting means that you take the latest good version and the last version, and then you will start creating builds between, or always the commit between them. And is it good? Yes, it's good. So it's between that and the latest. Take the middle. Is it good? No, that's not good. So take the commit and the last one, and again from the middle, and you will eventually you will find exactly the commit that caused the problem. Anyway, so dart.cs dart.cs inform game state about hit. Though this kind of committing is breaking something else though. This way every commit is not buildable. So we fixed gamestate.cs separate hit from board and from darts. This allows us to detect also hits outside the board. It's fine. And what did we change there actually? Oh yeah. No. Oh yeah. Heat detects refactor game state hit function name. Jesus, heat detects CS. Oh Christ almighty me. I hit ESC for whatever reason. And heat detect CS inform. No. Refactor hit function to board hits. And commit again, none, and we haven't tested this yet, so it's kind of annoying to commit without knowing if we actually fixed it. So, but use button graphic for touch input. Yeah, that should be fine. And commit. Oh yeah, we also need to save this once more. And throw.cs, we changed something. Oh yeah. Inform game state cs about missed hits. And finally, I'm not even sure what all kinds of information is in the actual Unity file, so just update Unity file. That's it, and now we can push it. And let's go have a look what happens here. Now, I'm not sure if I have to re-enable the automatic builds, but basically, or in theory, the Unity Cloud build should just now notice that we have pushed some commits upstream, and it should start the build automatically. But we could actually check just in case that it permanently if it permanently disabled the automatic builds. Let's see. Android key store type branch. Edit advanced. No. It hasn't changed, or it hasn't started yet successfully. I wonder. Auto build. There we go. Yeah, we didn't. Yeah, I guess it disabled it when, embarrassingly enough, I hadn't paid my Fizzle.net domain registration. I hadn't paid my domain registration, so yeah, for a couple of days my domain didn't exist, or it was parked. Well, anyway, that's that. I'm trying to now remember and check the chat every once in a while. So, next, the single player mode is not working right. So, let's have a look at the game state. Well, no. Here. There we go. Oh yeah, and because I'm such an ADHD, sorry about everyone who actually has ADHD, I don't mean to belittle the problem, so but yeah, let's see, this is called from the board collider, and this is called from the Dart collider. Deducts available darts when hit. Player wins. Win condition to celebrations and reset to menu. And as you see, we don't have yet the win condition. I guess we need to have some kind of cool particle effects and stuff, but I'm not all that good at them, so we are going to make some ugly stuff, and then I guess the graphics artist will do that. So overdraw, that means player has hit below 0, relinquish, is that a word? The turn to the other player. Okay, and swap player. In two-player mode, change to the other player. In practice mode, skip the other player. So, collect darts. Oh yeah, and first of all, collect darts from the field. So, if it's 0, current player is 1. If current player is 1, current player is 2, current player is 2, current player is 1, dots left 3. And actually, if, what was the variable name? Game type, game mode, I can't even remember which one was which. I mean modes and types. It's a stupid naming scheme for me, because how do I go to declaration F12 practice 2-player. Okay, game mode was that. So if game mode, no, god damn, if mode, yeah, is game mode dot practice, then actually do absolutely nothing, else do the stuff. Yeah. Let's see. Collect darts. Do nothing. I wonder why do I have this check even here, because that should happen automatically in the starts game. Oh, that's part of, oh, I'm trying to be clever there. It's always stupid to try to be clever. Well, we do it like this. If current player is 0 or if mode is practice. It's still stupid looking logic, but that will work. Okay, collect darts. find all the clones of the Dart prefab. Destroy them. Start game. Store the mode and type of game from the menu. Oh. Open the cabinet and initialize player 0. Well, initialize scores. Okay, that's fine. Writing comments, it's actually usually very boring, but now it's good because I don't have clear recollection of how it works, so this is also helpful for me. So set starting score based on game type. Jesus. And I don't care to comment those local variables. So, this is actually probably absolutely stupid thing to do, this update scores thing. Because we are basically doing this every frame, and I imagine that it has to take a new object instance here and discard old one. We are giving the, what's that called, the garbage collector, we are giving it way much stuff to do. So we absolutely don't need to do this on updates, because that's run on every frame, I guess. Yeah, because there's the, yeah. So where we actually need to do this, I think the Dart hit is a good place to know. Well, we don't even need to do it on Dart hits, and it's not clear which one will be called first, Dart hit or board hits. I think it's actually undefined, because you know it's just two collisions, and each of the, if it hits the board, first the board, or both the board and the Dart will report here, but there's actually no definition of which gets called first. So I think the safest place to do this is here, because there we don't actually manipulate the scores. I'm just trying to do stuff in a way that it doesn't break so easily when I need to make it more complicated at some other point. So what happens when player wins? Let's skip the celebrations for now. What we actually need to do is to set the current player to 0. And after that we can actually just call the... Oh, no. We need to go to the menu. Right. Shit, crap. Fuck. Well, it's not that horrible. Of course we need to do something. We just need to reference to the menu, and... yeah, that's it. Yeah, let me think. Let's have a look at the temporary simplify menu. Start, show menu, and that's public. Is there anything else that could go wrong? No, I don't see a reason why there would be any kind of problem there. So let's just close the cabinets and let's see, cabinet animator, player wins. So we will set the current player to 0. Oh yeah, maybe we should also do the collect darts here first. Okay, collect darts, current player is 0, close the doors, and then we need a reference to that. Temporary simplified menu, and where is that? There we go. Menu, show menu. That actually should be it. Of course, we want to get the in celebrations and stuff, but let's just try if we can play a practice game and get back to the menu. Yep, that sounds like a plan. Oh yeah, but we need to... Where's that? Game state there. And where's the menu? Who holds the menu script? Yeah, that one. So, Christ. There we go. Yep. Oh yeah, I forgot to check the carry state. Do you have any games already developed on Google Play? Oh, I changed accounts. Oh. Hi, Series. I have Mökkitikka, which is kind of a proof of concept of this game. Let's have a look at playgoogle.com. Oh, and welcome back. It's nice to have some people actually watching. I'm going to put it on my YouTube also, which is Fizzlenet, or I mean an edited version of this development. Let's see, search Mökkitikka. It has a silly name because this game is not actually played anywhere but Finland or maybe Sweden, if I have understood correctly. And it's horribly ugly because it's horribly ugly because I made the graphics myself. That's kind of my storage building next to my house, which is from the 30s and very dilapidated. So that was what I was going for, but it's both dilapidated and it looks absolute crap. But yeah, thanks for the question. Yes, there you go. And by the way, someone asked that the dart seems to go too slow, but that is intentional. I'm actually dropping the time step to 0 to, not time step, but the speed of the physics engine. I'm dropping it down to 20% just so that the person playing, so it looks more interesting, so you can actually follow the dart and it will fly and bonk, it will hit. And which reminds me, we don't have sound effects for some reason. Right? Do we have the sound effects for the dart hit? Let's try it. Nope, we don't have any kind of sound for that. So let us also add the dart sound right now, so I don't forget, because I think that's like really important part of that thing. So where's our darts? Dart. No. Yeah. Prefab. There we go. Let's drop it like here, and let's go to it. Well, we don't really need to see it, but darts. Yeah, look at that. For whatever reason, we don't actually have something for it. I even have had sound effects for that. Let's hear what my actual sound effects sound like. Those are 3 just a bit different hits, and I made those sound effects, so I took my what's that called, Snowball Blue or something. Mike took it next to my desk and then dropped a like pen from like 3 centimeters up and recorded that, and it turned out quite okay. Where's that Dart scripts? Yeah, we can also, we need to add a sound source for that. Oh Jesus, sorry about that. That's my phone telling me probably that we have a new build ready. Yeah. Oh shit, I forgot. Because, well, I cannot really afford any extra costs at the moment. I don't have any premium account for the cloud build, so we can only build once an hour, but I guess that's fine. What the hell was I looking at? Right, the darts. I am even more confused and jumping from place to another than usual now that I'm streaming, because when I'm speaking what I'm thinking, I want to follow that train of thought immediately. We need to have sound source or something. What's that called even? Add components. New script. No, what the fuck? Audio source, right? I don't even remember how this... Wait, what? Can't I just... No, go away. Components, audio source. There we go. Well, I'm sure that it wouldn't be so hard. Audio clip, none. Let's see, play on awake, nope. Bypass listener effects, nope. Output, none. That should be okay. Where is our audio listener? Is it actually... Let's see, it's probably in the player head, maybe. Player neck, player hand, player head camera, audio listener, there we have it. And we don't have audio listener on the throw camera, but I guess that's okay, because you really actually want to hear it from the perspective of the where you actually are. So that should be fine. That's our audio listener. And then let's add, what's that called, audio clip to the Dart. So public audio clip hit sounds. Is that right? Is that enough? Let's see once it compiles. Own layer, I don't even remember that, what that is. Okay, hit sounds. Yeah, that's cool. Now, SFX. What? Hit 1, 2, and 3. Oh shit. Let's see. Okay, no. How do I have to like drop them here one by one? Okay, hit 1, hit 2, and hit 3. Okay, good. And also, where is the throw script? We have sound for that also. could add that to... Well, let's finish this first. So, stop, play hit sound. Let's make such function. That can be private void. Play hit sound. And first we need our audio source is get, what was the name? Get components audio source. Like so. Or can we actually just do it like this? Audio. No, we don't have. There's no global name for audio source thing. So A is actually I don't like abbreviated variable names because they make perfect sense at the second you are writing the scripts, but once you look at after 1 week or 2 weeks, the Acers, it just doesn't make any sense anymore. You know, it made perfect sense when you were abbreviating it from audio source, but it, yeah, you get the idea. That's audio clip, audio source. There we go. And then we'll get int, let's see, audio, what was the name? Hit sounds, right? Hit sounds. How do I get length? Oh, shit. Let's see, hit sounds length. Yeah, that should be okay. So int num clips hit sounds.length. Okay, and random. I don't actually have no recollection of how do you do random stuff in C#. Let's see, C# random int. Okay. And we might actually have, let's create a private random number generator, which is, oh well, it will be used exactly once anyway, so it doesn't matter if we do it here or there. So, and R&D, what was it? No. What on earth is this random class? F12. That's probably not what I'm looking for. Yeah, it's in the Unity engine. What the bloody hell? Okay, so Unity has its own random thing. So let's use that instead. Unity random. So, class for generating random data. Range. But I don't want. Oh. let's see, what is the correct way to get a random integer in Unity? Because if for example this would be typical error to get just range from 0 to 3 or 0 to 2, and to just what's that called? You know, just convert it to integer, and you would actually have very biased end result. So Unity random integer. Okay, we are already here. Thank you. Okay, whatever. Oh. Oh, that will. What if? Huh? Oh, it has overrides. Right. I forget that you can have that kind of overrides in Unity. I mean in C#. So int random num is random range. Yeah, there's int and float versions. That's perfect. So 0 to num clips. So length, it's 2 if there are 3. I guess that's fine. So audio source play one shot. Hit sounds random num. And now let us optimize just slightly so we can avoid making those temporary variables. That seems okay. Okay, let's have a look. Do we have hit sounds now? And did we change something here? Yes, we did. So apply that. Get rid of that. And let's try it. Practice 501. I didn't hear shit. So actually, let us not optimize, because apparently we need to debug some stuff. So random num. And let's make a breakpoint here. Oh well, that will be actually faster, at least on some virtual machines. And run. And we need to no. I didn't want to do that. What I want, well, yeah, stop. Attack to. This is the way to debug Unity scripts. You attach to the Unity process, and here we have it's active. If that's like red or white with a red outline, it means that it didn't find the breakpoint yet, so you might need to recompile some stuff or make sure that you are still running the same Unity instance. But basically that should work. Now, that actually, that is the UI thing here. It looks absolutely atrocious. in the scene view here, but in the end it doesn't really matter. So practice 301. Okay, play hit sound, audio source. And what are the quick keys in this editor? Run, step over F10, step into F11. Okay, that's like Visual Studio. Did we get audio source? No. Well, that explains a lot. Num clips 0. Random num is of course 0. Okay, that won't work. So continue. I guess the prefab didn't save as we wanted. Let's have a look. Dot. Yeah, the hit sounds is empty. Why is it empty? That's interesting. Don't tell me we have to make some kind of proxy thing again. Okay. Let's see. SFX. Let us add these here. That should be fine. And then let's add audio source. Play and wake off, priority blah blah blah, volume blah, pitch blah. 3D sound settings, Doppler level. Yeah, let's not even touch that.